Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello to everyone, to all my friends, and to all my lecturers. Today we want to discuss about engineering mathematics 2. My name is Muhammad Daniel Zafri bin Zoliadri. My metric number is 10 DKM to 1 F1015. I am from class DKM 2A.
Hi everyone, my name is Kenjen. My nomenclature is 10 DKM 21F1035. I am from DKM 2A.
Okay, the question we get, the first question. We must find the stationary point of y equals ex power of 2 plus 4s and plus 3. And we must determine their nature and sketch the graph. So the first step, we want to get a stationary point is we must find dy dx. That's y equals to ax power of 2 plus 4s and plus 3. And we do dy dx. 8 multiply by 2 and we get 16x, and we plus 4 x and 3 was gone. Okay, the second step, we must find the value of x, dy dx equals to 0. So we take dy dx from the above, 16x plus 4 equals to 0, and we do, and we get x equals negative 1 over 4. And step 3, we must find the value of y. When the value of x we get it from this is x equals negative 1 over 4. And we substitute the value of x into the y. The first question, y equals x negative 1 over 4 power of 2 plus 4 negative 1 over 4 and plus 3. And we do calculation and we get y equals 5 over 2. So when we get x and y, so the stationary point is negative 1 over 4 and 5 over 2. So when we want to know the nature is minimum point or maximum point, we must do the second order from dy dx. Find d power of 2y over 2x dx power of 2. So dy dx, we get 16x plus 4, and we do second order from this, and we get only 16. So 16 is bigger than 0. So that means the nature is a minimum point. So the stationary point, we do conclusion. So the stationary point, negative 1 over 4 and 5 over 2 is a minimum point.
That means x for the y-intercept. X equal to 0, y equal to 8 in bracket to 0 power of 2 and then plus 4 in bracket to 0 and plus 3. So we will get 3. Okay, now about the x-intercept, we will substitute y equal to 0. So for the equations, we cannot be factorized. So no intersection x-axis. After that, we must sketch the graph, but before sketch the graph, we must find the stationary point. So the stationary point is negative 1 over 4 and 5 over 2. As you can see here, the stationary point is also minimum point. Next, we can sketch the graph. On the y-axis, one box preset 0.5, and on the x-axis also one box preset 0.5. Now we will point the y-intersections 0 and 3, and then we will stationary point the negative 1 over 4 also equal to negative 0.25, and point the 5 over 2 also equal to After that, we can connect all of the points together. This is final result of the graph. So the last we can see natural is minimum point. That's all from us. Thank you everyone.